Assalamu Alaikum, friends, where Western culture has paved the way for our education and development. At the same time, it has also created such reasons to throw our society into the depths of humiliation, which we are unable to change even if we wanted to. Today, the world seems to be going through a great period of development. But at the same time, some dark ages are emerging in history, which are enough to make people lose confidence in humanity. Friends, the best invention of this advanced era is the internet. There is no doubt that it has made our lives easier. But on the other hand, it has also given birth to some dark ages, which are enough to make people lose confidence in humanity. In today's Ziri Nazar video, we are going to talk about some shocking facts which will surely shock you. So friends, do you know that the internet you are using is only 4% of the entire internet? Yes, you must be surprised, but it is a fact that we are aware of only 4% of the web that is spread all over the world. The rest of the web and how it is being used is based on shocking facts. But to understand this, you must first know which part of the internet you are using and which is the rest. So friends, the entire internet is made up of two parts. 1. Deep web. 2. Surface web. Friends, 4% of the internet is made up of the surface web, which includes Google, YouTube, Facebook, and other common browsers. This means that this is the part that the common man is using. But 96% of the web is made up of the deep web, which is not accessible to any common man. There are two more webs in this, which are called the dark web and the Mariana web. The deep web is a part of the dark web, which is made up of shocking facts and is our topic for today. Friends, to know about this web or to access it is a very difficult task, but here are some important facts about it. The first and most important thing is that no common browser can be used to access this web. In fact, special kinds of browsers and softwares are used to access its websites. For example, Tor, Silk Road, Video Planet, and Hidden Wiki etc. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the browsers that are generally used to access it, but only 16% information can be obtained through them. It is called the dark web, which is made up of 550 billion individual documents. There are 6,608 different sites in it, which are called the dark web sites, and they are kept completely secret from the government. And every secret about it is kept secret, and once it becomes a part of it, it becomes completely anonymous. In addition to this, all kinds of humanistic and animalistic activities that become a part of this filth become a part of it. Friends, the markets that run on this web are called the dark markets, in which all illegal and inhuman businesses, like illegal drugs and real-life air guns, from AK-47s to rocket launchers, all kinds of dangerous weapons are traded. And the surprising thing is that the currency used for transactions in these markets is not a common currency, but is called bitcoins or cryptocurrency. There are many unsecured chat rooms in it which are expressing disturbing messages. There are also separate markets in this web for secret killing, where there is a regular business to kill anyone in secret. There are tenants in it who have different rates of their work, which are up to millions. Dear viewers, the most painful and heart-wrenching fact about it is that 80% of this web is based on the exploitation of children, in which different people, for their satisfaction, give regular money for child abduction, rape, and extreme exploitation. Their horrific videos are made in which all kinds of violence is done, and then the death toll is lowered. This web is also called the big site of hackers, in which 3,000 websites are hacked daily by these hackers. Here, from the exploitation of animals, there is also a business of human flesh and blood, in which human organs are demanded. Another surprising and disgusting fact which is related to this web is the way of talking to dead people. In some of its sites, such methods are taught in which the dead are taught how to talk to people, and they believe that such children who have died due to miscarriage or abortion can be used for their goals by acquiring their soul. In addition to this, there is also a business of match fixing and illegal conditions. Friends, these are the few disgusting facts which are related to this web. In addition to this, there are many other secrets which are still undercover. And the amazing thing is that no government is able to shut it down, because it is a very time-consuming and difficult task. Its web is so widespread that no one can cut it. And what more destruction it will cause to our society is also a secret hidden in the pages of time, which will be revealed with the passage of time. May Allah protect us from such people and protect us from such people. Ameen. We request you to stay away from such sites which are out of the circle of humanity and morality, because it is not only your worldly loss, but you will also lose your hereafter. With this advice, today's video ends. If you like the video, like it as much as possible and encourage us and subscribe to our channel for more good videos.